Power is a measure of the rate at which work is done. That means power is rate of work done. So which is work done divided by time. So its SI unit is joule per second, which is also can be written as watt. Now its another unit is horsepower. 1 horsepower is 746 watt. Now let us consider a body moving with velocity v. By applying a force F, and the force and velocity direction is, let's say, theta. That means displacement is along the direction of velocity. So you can write power is equal to work done divided by time, which is formula. So work done is F times D times cosine theta divided by time. So this is displacement divided by time. If you divide displacement by time, then you will get velocity. So that is F times V times cosine theta. This is a formula of this power. So power also can be expressed in terms of force and velocity, or we can express in terms of work done and time. Whatever given numerical value, you can assign accordingly. So if force and this velocity is given, you have to use this formula to calculate. So in this case, theta is angle between force and velocity, or you can also say angle between force and displacement, because displacement and velocity are same direction in this case.